When I see this here, anybody may do anyhow go see am woto for body this year. Because me, there's one thing I will not do. You see,
Ekeme don't come out, he don't clear the hair, my beautiful people. Whether I reply to Editorial or who she replied to, I go leave una make una watch the video. If you never watch the video, I go leave the video for now, or now still go her channel, go watch her. My beautiful sister Ekeme, I love you as a love of God. I love how you take comment when you still explain how you take strong way in life. They say now who talk your comment, then they hear. You know, as you don't talk your comment now, yes, you are a really strong woman. It's not easy, a mother of two, be a single mother before you come marry again. You know, I don't know how to put it, but not let social media, we the talker, we the reactor, when they say we call ourselves reactor, not let us push you to wait till you're not supposed to talk, you go talk, okay? For me, I love you. I create content with love, not with hate. For me, why I come out as I play this your video now, you also say na night now, I want publication. Pray me I feel publication today. Why I come out when they tell you, say, my sister, you dey vex for Editorial. Yes, why I talk am? You know when they talk about Lizzie, say Lizzie, Editorial put am for government school. You come out. That is sister. You come out and you clear the hair. Say, make they leave you and your family. Make they come out eye for your family. Now, this thing I expect. Yes, your sister can make mistake. We are all born to make mistake. Nobody is perfect. You understand? We are all born to make mistake. But may our ugliness not come out for social media. That is the thing. Not let anything, anybody, including me while they here, push you to bring your sister ugly part or to bring your sister out. The one when you don't bring her out, you don't do. That is why I say you dey vex for your sister or you dey heavy. I withdraw that my heavy, that word they pay you, because it be like say I use her for one of my video. I'm loyal. I'm sorry, my beautiful sister. Okay? No, when you dey talk, sometimes you just, but I withdraw that my word. Normal, when your sister bring you out or when anybody help you, now for us to see the growth of that person, then a victory to us when we help her. By tomorrow, I always tell people on this street, say, if I assist you, then you bullshit me. No matter how you be, that your channel, my name must always be there. That is how I say it. I not help you for you to go appreciate me. I help you anytime I see the growth. I go there happy. Say, I invest for this person. Money not be everything, no. By showing somebody's way. By tell person, this is how you go do it, this is how you know do it. Now, in fact, now invest. You understand? As you take talk, how you take strong. My sister, I shake hand for you. But many of us, we still do the same thing. The only thing why they beg you, why I still continue to they beg you. Now, I still know say you they vex for your sister. I received one comment. Somebody said when you travel to Lagos, say maybe Editorial not visit your children, I make you the vex. My sister is not supposed to vex. Me, I still clear you that one. When you want go Lagos, then you will pack your children and go meet your sister. If that one they vex you, I see for my comment section. And the other way, everybody know they feel the waka as you, the waka. Like person like me, hey, many people know me. I not be person, I they talk every day. Imagine person will say, I drop my children. Esther not ever one day, Naija Daughter not ever one day, support me or go visit my sister. You know, maybe Editorial and one kind person like that. You understand? For you to come out, clear the hair, say you strong, you suffer, you strong, go say you know the hair vaccine. You say when you open the channel in 3 months, you know they catch out. My sister, that is the shoe where many of us wear today. In 3 months, in 4 months, some people 6 months. What we used to say we dey Europe, in 6 months, not they catch out. But we are just doing it because we love being YouTube and being a YouTuber. We love what we they do. You understand, my beautiful sister? For me, I shake hand for you. Now, really jobless people. Now that they gossip. Now, person when you not get what you want use the life do. Now that they gossip. You know, since I receive your notification just now, I run wash and now I was supposed to do. I said, no, this is your topic. So it took me for leave. I come, meme. Let me quick jump in. That is why. Which time I can't get now that they gossip. You know, when you attach yourself with things, when you go help your life, when you go help your children's life, you will not have chance to gossip people. My sister, me I come back. I bet not give anybody woto, okay? You not be reactor. You know they react. You want to join our business? Let me know if you want to join our business, okay? I beg, now peace I still there. Please, we need peace for you and your sister. That love, How you take they visit your sister? I want that thing back. Forget the talk. They call you name. That's what we still call Editorial name. When we hear say Editorial, it takes some money from Piston. We still talk to Editorial now. We call her all name. Okay, my beautiful sister. Anything when we talk for social, I know say we are human, it must pain us. Maybe as your sister husband still come out yesterday, he talk with parable. You fix say they talk to you. That is why they say na the verse na quarrel day. You see, now make me say quarrel day, because if no quarrel no day, you Ekeme where I know. You go tell your sister, say you go come outside, tell us, say may we leave your sister. Because the time of Wetin they call her, Lizzie, you come out as a first day they talk, you blast us. Please, my beautiful sisters, I sit a talk, make pics. I beg. Coming out, make it parable. You will give us what we are here. Oh. I think you say YouTube now they pay just now. Sometimes they stay 3 months, 6 months. That's what we still be. Any one when they trend, we are here to grab it. My beautiful sister, money is not everything. Let's make peace, not war. Okay, sis? Please, if me anywhere day where I for offend you in my reaction video, I will draw my word, but let peace reign. Okay? Put on this, you're stronger in life. Many of us is stronger on, but I don't know what to talk. May we just make peace. I beg. You hear say person come out, person talk back to you, person talk bad. I beg. Just take calm. You hear? I beg. Now beg me, they beg you. Naija Daughter, they beg. I know say they watch my video. You know they comment. Because you know they watch video. A lot when you talk, okay? You not be betrayer, but when somebody help you, always remember how that person take help you and where you dey. Remember when you still give birth. This your sister come hospital, now her car she take carry you. And when she give birth, you still go visit her for hospital. You see, but all those things, they play again. That is why we they look and say, correct day. Things they happen. Okay, please, let peace reign. I look you like mature woman, like open person. You understand? Please, let's make love, not war. Thank God, you know, say, if thank God na God they give life, not be human be. If na human be they give life, I not believe say me and you go, they exist. But glory be to God. And may we still remember, say, who help you? Who help us? May we never bite the hand that fed us. That is my beautiful people. I will leave you that may una listen to Ekeme how it give her to Editorial husband.
He finished there because as my own, I know they wait to hear say them say. As they come, that's why they give you. Because me, as I am like this, I am so busy that I will now use part of my time to say I'm gossiping someone. For what now? The work that I'm doing alone, say, is it not stress? This is my brain. It needs relaxation at times. So will I spend my time to now start gossiping somebody? Or as you even see me, as you see me, UK, I can adapt in any situation. What have I not done in this life to survive? So for you to come and start saying that you envy somebody, babe, man, woman, lady, please get that. You see this Ukeme? Ukeme can sell broom. I can pack brooms in bundle and sell, provided I make 1 naira. UK here, I say, I can sell even pure water. Shame. No, they provided that thing is giving me 1 naira. So when you come to say enviness, jealousy, gossip, please, there are people that are jobless that you can tap that for. Yeah, there are people that are jobless that you can on your own sit down and say, oh, yes. But gossip, enviness, jealousy, foul. Foul. Maybe you're getting that place very, very wrong. Now, I won't bring up open. Now, very shameful thing. I mean, if you understand broken, you hear broken way. When you understand English, you hear it well. Because in this particular video, I will always tell you what is truth. Jealousy, gossip, foul. UK is not that kind of person. UK is a straightforward person. Straightforward to the core, contented with whatever I have. There is no competition in life. So what will I be competing for? Look at me today. God's favor. See these 2 hands. At least I am thankful to God that these my 2 hands are intact. People are not opportune to have their 2 hands intact. Don't forget that before me here joined YouTube, I have been struggling on my own. Yes, I never knew of YouTube. Yeah, YouTube was not that popular for us. Because if it was popular as at then, all of us would have joined. When I was in school, 100 level, 200 level, I started palm oil business. 200 level, I started my palm oil business. If I had been doing my palm oil business, I even got, from there, I got taxis, which I had 2 taxis I was running in Abuja for me. I was not doing bad. I was not doing bad. With God, that I am served. Maybe UK is jealous, UK is envy, UK is gossiping. Look me very well. Ask people that knows me. Ask. Ask. In the whole family, ask. Now, okay, me? You know if you do anything, then you feel say, I know what tell you say, you did wrong. If you like, beat me. I will tell you say, but you know say no good. I will still tell you. If you like, not talk to me. I go still tell you. You know say this is no good. If that one won't make you hate me, make you hate me. If that one won't make you no talk to me, no talk to Nigerians. Nigeria no good. Nigeria no do this. Nigeria this. Nigeria this. Anywhere they don't even see Nigeria, they will come out the paper, keep one place first. Which people will make, which people, if not me, you, which people will come and make the country first Nigeria a better place? Even in our country here, we don't love ourselves. We don't like ourselves. Even if you are progressing on your own. Now you give person food chop. Now you show person how to do this. Now bad thing if you show the person how to do the thing.